Hello everyone, welcome to my video presentation. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Ragil Ayumarta Nujana. I am an English language education student at Universitas Pendidikan Ganesha. In this video presentation, I will discuss about sex education. Is sex education important or damaging for children? Well, I here will discuss it. I will discuss from first, what is sex education? Second, what are benefits of providing sex education to children? Third, when is right time to give sex education to children? And fourth, how to discuss sex with children. Disclaimer, in this discussion, I emphasize the education side. Okay, let's discuss about what is sex education. Sex education is an activity to teach about reproductive health with the aim of realizing the importance of reproductive health so that acts of sexual harassment and infections diseases can be prevented. Sexual education can begin at a young age or when boys start having wet dreams and girls have their periods. Good sexual education results in children having a better personality. Maybe many people think that sexual education is a taboo subject to discuss with children before they grow up. In fact, this can be provide understanding to children and equip children to be more aware and concerned about their sexual health. Sexual education is important information that children need to know. Discussion about sexual matters, children can be better understanding the importance of sexuality as part of a healthy body, not just a relationship between men and women. Next, I will discuss what are benefits of providing sex education to children. It turns out that providing sex education to children is very useful. First, consider the adverse effect of media and the environment. Discuss about sex can be protect children from the negative effects of certain content on television or the internet. An understanding of the social world must also be given so that children don't fall into free sex or criminal acts. Second, build trust between parents and children. Discussing sex openly with children actually gives you the opportunity to provide appropriate and accurate information about sex. Third, make children understand the consequence and respect themselves. Discussion about sex makes children realize that they must protect and respect their own bodies. Sex education also makes children learn to choose, behave, and be responsible for their actions. Thus, they can know the consequence of starting to become sexually active. Those are some of the benefits of providing sex education to children. Furthermore, when is right time to give sex education to children? Sexual education for children is given as early as possible. At the age of 3 or 4 years, children begin to pay attention to the world around them, and they begin to learn to recognize their own bodies and compare themselves with their friends. Children maybe begin to realize that girls and boys are different. When children begin to explore their environment, this is an opportunity for parents to provide a basic understanding of sexuality. Sex education for children should be given gradually as long as the child is still under the care and supervision of parents. The last discussion, how to discuss sex with children. 0 to 2 years old should be given light and simple things, such as teaching the difference between men and women in sexuality or gender. 2 to 5 years old already good at talking and responding to conversation. So they should be taught which part of their bodies should not be touched by others. This will have an impact on their knowledge, which will be remembered until adulthood as knowledge taught by their parents since childhood. 5 to 8 years old have started kindergarten or elementary school. Sooner or later, they will also be taught or accidentally know about things related to sexuality. 9 to 12 years old, children will begin to like the opposite sex and grow signs of puberty in their organs. The phenomenon of menstruation or wet dreams will also be the subject of discussion. Explain to them that these are normal signs of maturity. 13 to 18 years old, already a teenager who has basic knowledge about sex. This is the right time for parents to be able to teach openness to children, because children at this age tend to have secrets. Without crossing the boundaries of privacy, teach them to always be able to maintain and control themselves from associations. Well, that's all I can say in today's presentation. My message is stand up as a parent who understands the child the most and can be trusted the most. That's why the child will grow up to be a sexually responsible adult in the future. If you have any question, please comment below. Thank you. Bye bye.